According to the Consumer Electronics Association, the average American household has 24 electronic items. This huge demand for electronics, in tandem with shorter product lives, causes America to generate an alarming amount of electronic waste, also known as e-waste. 75% of e-waste in America is sent to domestic landfills. Although representing only 2% of America's trash, e-waste is 70% of our hazardous waste. Lead, cadmium, mercury, and brominated flame retardants are all common in electronics and can cause serious health problems. The remaining 25% of American-generated e-waste is handed to electronics recyclers. However, the EPA estimates that instead of being recycled as promised, 4 out of 5 units are shipped to electronic waste dumps in the developing world. These informal sites lack appropriate environmental and worker safeguards. Impoverished workers and sometimes children take apart hazardous electronics by hand without proper protective equipment. Noxious gases and toxic materials are released into the atmosphere, soil, and groundwater. While it is possible to retrieve precious metals from e-waste, doing so safely and responsibly is expensive and difficult. Often, the cost of recycling is actually higher than the gains of reselling the raw materials. So how does GreenCitizen address this problem? GreenCitizen has worked hard to develop a sustainable metropolitan model to responsibly collect and recycle electronics in the metro area. Our first pilot is in the San Francisco Bay Area, with the goal to replicate our model in cities worldwide. GreenCitizen Solutions starts with our community eco-centers, which serve to educate the public about the e-waste crisis. They provide a place for businesses to schedule pickups and residents to recycle their electronics responsibly for free. The centers also showcase environmentally friendly consumer products, host fix-it workshops with our technicians, and feature work from local artists working with recycled materials. All recycling items that are dropped off at GreenCitizen Community Eco-Centers or picked up from local businesses are transported back to the Metropolitan Processing Hub. Roughly 30% of the electronics we collect retain some value and can be refurbished in whole or in parts. Revenue generated through reuse is reinvested back into more GreenCitizen Community Eco-Centers to expand the reach of convenient recycling and spread environmental awareness. The other 70% are dismantled into clean streams of recycled material. This material is shipped to local e-stewards and R2 certified recycling facilities for final processing into usable raw commodities. GreenCitizen's Total Accountability Management System tracks all major items collected by brand and serial ID. This system enables close monitoring of material up until final processing and guarantees that nothing ends up at global dumping sites. If you want to work with GreenCitizen, please schedule a business pickup at www.greencitizen.com or drop off your electronics at the nearest community eco-center or call 415-287-0000.